So yeah, we're gonna be doing Jim Powell, and I'm pretty sure I'm playing using this game. And do I have any players online? I don't. So if you guys want to buy me, you can. Just don't spam me with Germagrams. You can if you want to. I don't really get much of them. So yeah. Um. I'm gonna play Wild. Is the game I'm playing right now. This is my username, Wesley the Fox. It's more clear in videos you can see. Um, if you want to see this Arctic Fox, okay, tell you something. If you guys wanna, probably wanna try doing a Valentine's Day, not a Valentine's Day thing. I mean, I'm trying to say it. Oh yeah. A birthday themed event. If you guys want me to do that, let me know. Would someone please adopt? Oh, someone wants me to adopt. Someone wants to be adopted? Dude, if you were a fox, I would totally adopt you. I don't understand why they have to let gift numbers in here. It's so annoying. Sorry. I know, but if you want to see my den, it's Valentine's theme. I think it's Valentine's theme then. Let's see. Coffee voice. Cough. Sorry. What songs? Yeah. Oh, yep, it's my Valentine's theme then. Yep. Bye. If you guys want me to make, birthday theme then, let me know, because I love it. Flutterlion, you were glitching. Sorry, my cat's name is Flutterlion. Yeah. Plus, I guess you guys probably want to know, I am pretty much a person who loves things, and Flutterlion just sat. What the heck? Okay, that's a new animation, I didn't see that. Is this supposed to be a glitch or something? Because I've never seen any of them come out of there. I usually see them from the heart here. Totally because I'm in a dam. I don't know, something weird. Are you seeing the hearts over there? Because I don't. If I sit right here, would it be able to make it maybe see better? Sorry, wrong animation. I see more of them, but not much. Over here? What about all the way over here? Okay, so a bit. Oh, but okay. So blah. See this? Nope. A little closer to the. You know what? Let's see if I can move these over. Here. Okay, well, what view of it? Okay. Let's see. Go all the way over there now. Yes, that happens. Yeah. And I guess we're just gonna be doing all this stuff. No. Pretends. Love the downs. I love them pretends right now. So let's just go and let's go to much for you. Sorry for that. Let me go and punch in my mouth. There was no one here. I love Munchie for you. No one's here. That's sad. Mm. Let's check Cloud Canyon. This isn't on here. There. Enjoy Cloud Canyons? Oh, you god. Oh, never mind. It's a guest drama, but I don't really join guest dramas. I really don't like how the cats just, the animals just, the pets just get glitched through stuff. How many people are here? Like, seriously. Just a ghost drama. I love one. Do you like my yellow, like, kind of, flower, my, like, cute, outfit? Not really cute, it's just golden. I'm gonna go specifically with peppers and don't, but I guess Terry is drowning himself. Sorry, but they definitely are. Oh, there's someone. Ferret Lover Zero. Hi, Ferret Lover Zero. I love your snow leopard so much, Ferret Lover Zero. Oh, you have a YouTube? Oh, never mind. Goodbye, Ferret Lover Zero. That was awkward. Is that a guest streamer again? Oh, Super Spot 13. Hey, Super Sam RT13. Love your design. If you have a YouTube, I would love to see that you're amazing. I love the white and bunny with the black stars. You look kind of cute with them. I'm just gonna go to Machan Sip. It's usually the quietest place I ever been to. I'm not really nervous going there. Oh, people are weird. Bumping into me. I'm just gonna sit down. There's so many people here. Oh, there's also, how was I gonna ask people? I'm gonna open my game invites, to my game invites on to see how many people. I had it off for a while, so let's see if people would accept the game invite, give me a game invite. Because I wanna try to earn some gems. Just because I'm not really good at this personalized. By the way, guys, I don't know what's going on here with many people, and I really don't know why guest streamers are just so weird. Which, can someone trade me a, never mind, I want a raccoon tail. That'd be amazing if I could get one. And, I need the princess, that princess set and the ballet set. The princess set, I forget what it looks like, but if you can get me the rest of the ballet sets, don't give me the rest of the ballet sets. Besides the ballet shoes, because I have them. Oh my god. Someone wants to be my friend. Oh no, should I? Okay, I'm gonna accept them as a friend since I would be nice to them. They, don't like my luck, don't they? Almost trading since I have 2 flower crowns, but I don't really use them much. By the way, I'm just sitting here and, please, your flower. Never mind, guys. I'm gonna unbury this one person because they are begging for something. I don't know what they want since I don't know what you want. Do you want something or something? Sorry, guys. I don't know what they want. Is it because they want my flower crown? Sorry, it's not for trade. I don't know how to pronounce your thing. Something 8. Please, I'm not going up for my golden flower crown because I need it for my, look. I'm so sorry. If it's a flower crown that you want, I'm sorry, it's not for trade. It's pretty special to me. I have a red one and a gold one. Sorry, but both of them are not for trade. If you noticed, I'm sorry. So yeah, and seriously, go away, monkey. I don't like you. Sorry guys, if you like monkeys, I personally do not. They just look really weird. I have a monkey, but they just look really weird. What the heck are you doing? Excuse me guys, if you, I actually don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna sit down. I've been recording for, almost 11 minutes. And I am paranoid right now. Oh, that was the guest there. I thought that was Night Horse, but the Night Horse is the Arctic Wolf. Yeah. I like this bunny's design. The beige color with the pink, smells kind of look amazing. New jammer, please. Guys, if you're wondering, I don't bring new jammers. I'm sorry. Guys, I don't really buy new jammers much. Yeah. Sorry, guys. You please, back up. Oh, Night Horse wants to be friends with me, but sorry, I am not accepting buddies right now. Can someone tell this new jammer to back away, please? Back away, new jammer. By the way, your look is just, so not something I want to be near. By the way, guys, what do you think of my outfit? 10 out of 10 to be exact, guys. Nope. Arendelle. Going to, Gamboa? Back by accident, sorry guys, but that was just really random. Oh my god, the glitching. So much is a glitch. AJ friend. Hell no, I'm not being your friend. Sorry guys, that was awkward. That's me doing the cop candy search. Colors. I don't know. I'm weird. Oh, I'm in the same one. Thank God. But no, God, that thing. I'm not a fan of monkeys, and I'm not a fan of much things. Something like our costume every time. Right here, blue wolf. By the way, I don't agree with those colors. Sorry. By the way, I don't really agree with those colors on the wolf right there. Just looks kind of gross. I love your name. I love your username. I love it. Okay then, bye. Bye guys, I'm setting up for a snow leopard, so like, yeah. Play wild. Well, this is kind of slavery. Jack Mac, you're literally being a slave. Using yourself as a slave. Sorry, because he had a penguin. I probably have a new jammer's logo on top of my head. Oh, I have a slavery. Hi, Candy. I love your colors. I love your outfit too. A little bit sorry. I'm just wondering why. I thought that was a floating top hat at first, but it's a monkey. God damn it! Is that you looking for a baby? Please tell me I didn't. A bay? Oh my god! I'm a girl. Wait. The cow leopard just went. Are you trying to pedo on me, snow leopard? The cow leopard. It just looks like a cow. Sorry guys, he just looks like a cow. That is a costume, isn't it? Yes, it is. Yeah. I'm glitching. Mm. Talk. Mm. Mm. Oh. Mm. Yep. Hi, puppy. Hi, Bibos. Sorry, dog. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone.